kids, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Anam. I once again welcome all of you to the English class. Kids, before starting our class, first I would like to tell about etiquette. Get up early in the morning. Children, we should always get up early in the morning. Getting up early in the morning is a good habit. If we get up early in the morning, so our body remains healthy. I hope you all will follow this good habit. Now, let's learn some GK questions. Tell me, which is our national game? Tell me what is the correct answer of this question. Very good. Our national game is hockey. Repeat after me. Our national game is hockey. Next question. Which is our national sweet? Very good. Our national sweet is jalebi. Repeat after me. Our national sweet is jalebi. Children, now let's read some sight words. Now, look at this sight word. Tell me, which sight word is this? The. Which sight word is this? The. Now, look at this sight word. Children, tell me, which sight word is this? See. See. Repeat after me. See. Now, let's move to our next topic. Children, I had taught you many times about the use of a, an in our previous classes. So I hope everyone will know very well where to use a or an. Children, before starting use of a or an, first I would like to ask about the vowels or consonants. Tell me, how many vowels are there in the English alphabet? 5. Tell me which letters are called vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. Now tell me, what are called these remaining letters? Consonants. Very good. So these remaining letters are called consonants. Tell me, how many consonants are there in the English alphabet? 21. These 21 letters are called consonants. Now let's see use of a or an. Children, look at this picture. Tell me, what can you see in this picture? Cat. Now read this word, cat. Now look at first letter of this word. Tell me, is the first letter of this word a vowel or a consonant? Consonant. First letter is C. C is a consonant. Children, tell me, what we will use before consonant sound? A or an? A. Very good. So here the first letter of the word cat is C. So we will use a before this word. A cat. Children, if the first letter of a word starts with a vowel sound, so we use an before that word. If the first letter of a word starts with consonant sound, so we use a before that word. I is used before words starting with consonant sounds. Now look at this picture. Read this word, egg. Now look at first letter. Tell me, is the first letter of this word a vowel or a consonant? Vowel. Children, here the first letter of the word egg is E, and E is a vowel. Tell me, what we will use before vowel sound? A or an? An. So here we will use an before this word. Children, look at screen. Read this word, apple. And now read this word, dog. Children, here we have used an, and here we have used a before this word. Can you tell me why we used an and not a before apple? Now look at first letter. Children, so here the first letter of the word apple is A and A is a vowel. Children, I told you if the first letter of a word starts with a vowel sound, so we use an, not a. Here we have used a before dog. Tell me why we have used a, not an before dog? Because dog word begin with letter D and D is a consonant. So we have used a before this word, a dog. So I hope you all have understood about use of a or an very well. Now let's move to our main topic. Children, I told you about the concept of E letter in my previous class. Today we will learn about the E letter once again. Children, see this picture and read this word T-A-B, tub. So here T is a consonant and U is a vowel. B is a consonant. Thus, we can see T-A-B, tub is a CVC word. Now, let's add letter E to the CVC word tub. What word do we get when we join the letter E at the end? Children, when we add letter E in the last of any CVC words, so we get a new word. So here the word tub changed to the word tube. Tub becomes tube. Tube. Children, do you hear the sound of E in this word? No. Because E is a magic letter which is self remains silent, but change is the sound of the vowel U in tube from A to U in tube. Magic E remains silent but makes the vowel before the ending consonant say its own name. For example, here is written pip, p, pip. When we add magic E at the end, it becomes pipe. Children, here pip becomes pipe on addition of letter E, and E in pip becomes I in pipe. Children, when we add E in the last of any CVC word, so the sound of first vowel change to its name. Children, in this word you can hear the sound of I letter by its own name. Pipe. We are getting I letter name, not sound. Children, I sound is E, not I. But in this word we are getting I. So we are getting its name in this word. Now let's see some more words. See this picture, read this word. K-A-B, cub. Children, K-A-B, cub. So here in this word we are getting the sound of U is A, not U. Children, when we add letter E at the end of this word, so the sound of first vowel change its name. Here, cup word becomes cube on addition of letter E. Children, in this word, we cannot hear the sound of E because E is a magic letter which is self remains silent. Look at this picture. Read this word. T, A, P, tap. When we join letter E at the end of this word, so this word turns into tape. Here, tap becomes tape. On addition of letter E and A in tap becomes A in tape. Children, when we add E in the last of any CBC word, so the sound of first vowel change to its own name. So I hope you all have understood the concept of magic E. Now let's do some practice. Children, here I have given a worksheet. Now look at this worksheet. What do you have to do in this worksheet? Circle the correct word. Children, here are two words out of which you have to circle the correct word by looking at the picture. Now look at first word pig and second pike. Now look at first word pig. Pig. So tell me, can you hear the sound of I or its name? Pig. The sound of I is E. P, E, G. So in this word we can hear the sound of I letter, not name. But in second word we cannot hear the sound of I letter. We can hear letter I by its own name. Pike. P, Ig, Ig. So in this word we can hear letter I by its own name. Children, you will circle the first word. Now you will complete this work yourself. Now it's time for homework. What do you have to do in homework? Fill in the blanks with A or An. Children, you have to do this work by yourself. Thank you. Thank you so much for attending the online class. Have a great day. Bye bye children.